Hey, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for an Audi? Well, this one is absolutely impeccable and spotless. Let's show you the exterior condition here, up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is one of my favorite Audis that we have in selection here at Sunset Ford. Take notice of the exterior condition, no dents, no dings, absolutely flawless. A gorgeous looking Audi. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without showing you the interior, which we're going to do right now. Very, very sleek interior. Lots of ample legroom for company. Moonroof, of course, look at that. It's a gorgeous day here in the Great Pacific Northwest. Fully loaded options, as you can tell. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. We just offer a little bit more here at Sunset Ford. For more information on this Audi or any other vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, get ready to save and come on down and see us in person. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.